If you open the diagnostic menu on the Poco F8 Ultra to check if everything is fine with your phone, well, you can quickly do this by opening settings, then go to about phone. Now you have to go into detailed info and specs, and over here you will have to go into kernel version, and you have to keep tapping on this all the time until you open this menu. So now let's say that you have some problem with your touch screen. So we have to go to the touch sensor, and now as you can see, you can perform this test. If there's something wrong, for example, you are sliding over this part, but it's not highlight with the blue color, it means that this is something broken in the screen. So you can actually make this test by yourself, and then you can just send it to some services stuff to change that screen. But of course you can check your top speaker. There's like a lot of things that you can check. Even the gyroscope you can check if it is working properly, or for example you can check the display port if it works properly, or for example you can test your USB port. So there's a lot of things that you can actually check here. This is a great tool, and that's everything for this video.